Hello, hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about heeled bumpy and court shoes. These types of shoes are perfect for formal occasions and they can also be dressed down for a more casual look. Hipped bumpy and court shoes are a type of women's shoe that features a high heel and a closed toe. They are typically made from leather and are used for different locations and different occasions. They are available in different colors and styles. Some popular shoes are showing in this video, like court shoes, pumps, kitten heels, block heels, pinky heels. Hipped bumpy and court shoes are a great choice for formal occasions because they make you look taller and more confident. They can also be dressed down for a more casual look by pairing them with jeans or a skirt. They make you look taller and more confident. They can be dressed up or down for different occasions. They are comfortable to wear for long periods of time. They come in a variety of colors and styles to choose from. Hipped bumpy and court shoes are a versatile and stylish type of shoe that can be worn for a variety of occasions. They are perfect for making you look taller and more confident, and they can be dressed up or down for different looks. Here I share with you some latest and new designs available in different colors. You can buy them from eBay, Amazon, and some more other sources. If you are looking for a new pair of shoes to add to your wardrobe, I highly recommend checking out heel bumpy and court shoes. You won't be disappointed. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fashion tips and advice. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will also share some latest and new designs in future on this platform. You have just connected with my channel and also on notifications for my channel. You will get benefited from my channel in future. I will share the latest and new designs in future. So you have to subscribe my channel and also press bell icon to receive latest and new designs. Also comment which one is your favorite from this one.